This is digital era for research and development. As you all know, Almicro is one of the leading manufacturers of microscope in the industries. For that, Almicro has launched several models for this digital tag. I am Mohit Kohli right here, third generation of Almicro, introducing you all to all these models. So we have models for school, institutions, research lab. We have total 4 models in this series, which is DVM01, DVM02, DVM03 and DVM04 Ultra. In this series, we have Android tablets, window-based tablets and digital HD screens. So in this series, you can do several things, such as you can click the images, you can record your results, you can do the analysis of the results, can convert it into reports, and many others. To know more about these digital era microscopes, you can visit our YouTube channel or visit our website. And for more details, you can contact on the number given below. Thank you.